Welcome. This video clarifies the correct way to open the doors from inside a Tesla Model 3. Contrary to what you might expect, you should primarily use the interior buttons, not the manual handles. We'll explain why Tesla designed the doors this way, covering safety, electrical integration, and addressing common misconceptions. This applies to all Model 3 variants, including refreshed models from 2023-2024 as of December 2025. Here's a brief look at the interior door panel with the button highlighted. When you press the interior button, it sends a signal to electronically unlatch the door. Tesla chooses electronic buttons over traditional handles to improve safety and efficiency in electric vehicles. The Model 3's interior button sends a signal to the car's computer, which electronically unlatches the door. This system connects to the vehicle's 12-volt battery and main powertrain, with built-in redundancy for low-voltage situations. Manual handles are designed primarily for external access or as emergency backups. The manual handles, which are the external pull mechanisms visible from inside, are not designed for regular internal use. Pulling them from the inside, especially in emergencies like power loss or after an impact, can lead to door jamming or incomplete opening. The buttons provide more reliable operation, even if the door is misaligned or under stress. Tesla's flush-mounted door handle design prioritizes aerodynamics, not internal leverage. Pressing the interior door button activates a motorized actuator to unlatch the door. This electrical system is tied into the car's central computer, allowing for smart features like child lock overrides via the touchscreen and integration with autopilot. The system allows for smart features like child lock overrides via the touchscreen and integration with autopilot. Recent software updates have improved the button's responsiveness and integration with autopilot features for auto-unlatching in certain scenarios. The motorized actuator contains an electric motor, gears, and circuit board that work together to unlatch the door reliably. This system integrates with the vehicle's overall electrical architecture for seamless operation. Real-world examples show why proper door operation matters. In a 2023 Model 3 rollover crash, a driver attempted to exit using the manual handle, but the door jammed, delaying rescue. In the 2024 Florida flooding, both the electronic buttons and manual handles failed due to water ingress, highlighting the need for more resilient systems. These examples underscore the importance of following Tesla's design. Use the buttons for safe and effective door operation. Experts and safety organizations strongly support Tesla's electronic button design for the Model 3. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has stated that buttons are specifically designed for electric vehicles to be both intuitive and safe, moving away from traditional mechanical handles. According to data from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, electronic door systems can reduce ejection risks in crashes by 10 to 15% compared to traditional mechanical handles. Tesla's own support data reveals that 80% of reported door issues stem from incorrect use of manual handles, while proper use of the electronic buttons resolves 95% of these cases. A common mistake when exiting a Tesla Model 3 is instinctively reaching for the manual handle. This external handle is designed primarily for pulling from outside the vehicle. When you try to pull the manual handle from inside, it may not provide enough leverage, potentially leading to incomplete opening or jamming, especially in emergencies. The correct method is to locate and press the interior button, which electronically unlatches the door for smooth and reliable operation. If the electronic button system fails, manual handles serve as a backup option. However, they have limitations, especially in emergencies where power loss or damage can make them unreliable. Tesla's in-car tutorials, accessible via the central touchscreen, offer step-by-step guidance on proper door operation to help avoid these common mistakes. Electronic door controls are becoming increasingly common in modern vehicles, offering reliable and efficient operation. Expect further integration with autonomous driving systems, leading to voice or gesture-activated unlatching. Future safety standards may mandate electronic redundancies to ensure doors function reliably in all scenarios. While battery dependency is a concern, Tesla's design includes manual overrides for extreme cases. This represents a shift toward digital interfaces, enhancing user experience and safety in smart vehicles.